it's getting a little late and I'm not that tired, so I figured I get on the bike for a little bit, try to tire myself out, and that way it'll be a little bit easier to fall asleep. I'm going to be listening to a podcast. I'll explain in a second. Okay, so I'm on my bike now, and it's actually a little tilted, but I'll fix that in a moment. The podcast I've been listening to is called Beat Your Jeans, and I don't know if I talked about this in other videos before, but I figure I'll just summarize kind of what it's about. It's sort of trying to understand the way we're programmed as humans, like, our genes. That way, when we can understand it, when there's things that we want to avoid, it'll be easier to make the choice to do something else. In other words, it helps us go for things that are going to make us truly happy instead of short-term pleasures. So it's a pretty interesting podcast. You guys should check it out. I forget the name of the guy who runs the podcast, but he has a guest speaker on, Doug Lyle. On episode 2 of the podcast, I kind of went out of order and watched the third one first. So that's where I'm at, and I'll probably ride for maybe 15, 20 minutes just to get in a little bit of exercise, get sleepy, and that's all for this video. Remember to eat enough and eat the right stuff.